I'm ready, Freddie.
Hello everybody, I'm Christopher. The guy behind the camera is always Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, take it away. Oh my Lord.
No.
All right. Hey everybody, I'm Christopher. The guy behind the camera as always is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars, Humid Edition. Go ahead.
Yes.
Tell them about the place,
First
Jake.
of all, we're inside because it's 90 million degrees outside and very humid, and we like to be in the shade, but we will drive it still. But anyway, we're Fast Lane Classic Cars. We're 15 minutes outside St. Louis to the west in St. Charles, Missouri. I'm going to put the phone number above Chris's head. Look, there it is. Remember, write it down. Call us about this 46 Buick or the other 150 or so cars we have at any given time, and also like and subscribe because it helps us help you, help us help Chris, help me help you, help Chris. And when you subscribe, hit the bell because then you get notified when we make cool stuff like this. Also, if you want full photo sets, interior, exterior, engine bay, undercarriage, go to our website www.fastlanecars.com, fastlanecars.com.
You got it.
You can see it all there, but for now, Chris is going to tell you all about this amazing Buick.
This is a 1946 Buick 40 Series. It's called a Sedanette because it is a two-door coupe. Let's see. I never did get the weight from the internet, but what I did get was it's a 283 inline 6, or I mean inline 8.
Yes.
And it is 0 to 60 time is 18.5 seconds. Top
Not
speed
bad.
was 74 miles an hour.
Very nice.
114 horsepower, 279 foot-pounds of torque.
It's actually a lot of torque.
There's a lot of torque. This hood opens up both ways, which is kind of interesting.
Yeah, it opens sideways. It kind of teeters that way and then teeters the other way.
It's a teeter.
It's a teeterer.
This was exactly kind of what they built in 41 and 42 prior to the war. Once the war started, they stopped and then they continued and used the rest of them up, and this is one of them. It's a really nice little car. It's the starting is interesting.
Yes.
You turn the key and you press the gas pedal. Make sure you're not in gear to 3 on a tree, obviously. It's still a Buick though. They still drive real nice. Now, since it is slow, we're not going to take it out on a big run. We're going to take it on a shorter one because it's a big, heavy car, and you know it's hot, and we don't want to really stress this little guy too much.
Yeah. And another thing I noticed, it seems to have every single piece of chrome trim.
It does.
It's not missing a single piece of trim on the whole thing. It doesn't look like. It also has big old chrome bumpers, which just look amazing. The hood ornament's cool. The hood is long because it has 8 cylinders all in just a single row, a straight 8. So it has to have a really long hood. The interior, actually really good condition, it seems like. It's got a big old trunk, of course, and the chrome wiper arms. It's pretty cool.
It is cool.
And we have both side mirrors, I just noticed.
Wow, we do.
For 46, that's crazy.
It is.
All right, you ready
I'm going to start? Yeah.
Got big doors.
Big doors, big car.
Big car, big doors.
Big accessories.
Yes, look at that. What is this whole thing happening in the middle?
That's a lot is what that is.
We have accessory, 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 and lighter. Accessory to murder, maybe?
Well, possibly.
Accessory to crime, accessory to a
Lights.
burglary. Lights, watch out behind you, there's a Ford Torino. Oh yeah, washer, instant light, whatever that means. Lights and map lights. And then we have ashtrays on either side.
Oh, we do.
In
her ashtrays.
In case you want to take up smoking.
Let's not do that, kids.
Don't smoke. Smoke tires, not cigarettes. Look at that big steering wheel. That thing's huge.
Oh, it's monstrous.
It is monstrous. And an even bigger hood. That is the longest hood I've ever seen.
Biggest, longest, the bestest
and
ever.
We also have heat. Look at
well,
that
let's
thing.
not put that on there.
We got a heater. No, we don't need the heat today. It's very warm outside. But yeah, it's we don't need the heat. It's about 90 degrees.
Yeah, it's at least
95.
90.
At least 90. We also have a radio, it looks like.
Come on, baby.
Oh, yeah. Shift, man. Oh, yeah. 100 and how much horsepower?
117 or so.
And then 250 pound-feet?
279.
279.
Pretty impressive, actually.
It's not quiet.
No, it's rowdy.
It is a little rowdy. We do have 8 cylinders, and they're straight.
Straight as they can be.
Oh, man, here's the roundabout.
Ooh.
This thing is going to be on one side of the roundabout and the other at the same time.
It's rare that this happens. 1946.
It is very long. All right, I think we're good.
Come on, baby. Oh, here we go.
What a time, 1946.
Oh, yeah. The war was over. Everyone was happy. And children being born.
Yes, a lot of children.
Tons of them.
The boomers. The baby
Oh,
boomers.
baby boomers.
Oh, third gear action.
Welcome to third gear. I didn't know
Very
we'd make it
nice.
to third, but we did.
We also have a radio down here, it looks like. Buick Sonomatic? Sonomatic?
Well, I know it wasn't Sony.
In the buttons, they say Buick, which is kind of cool.
Sure they do.
Don't know if that works, to be honest, but it's cool that we have it.
It's kind of neat.
We got sun visors. That's a modern feature for 1946, maybe. We have a clock. Can't tell if it's working. And a glove box over here. Very cool. And massive back seats.
For a massive car.
For a massive car and massive people, if you so choose. You can fit 4 people, maybe 5, very comfortably.
Extremely comfortably.
A lot of chrome happening too.
Oh, there's a lot of stuff happening.
There's a lot of chrome on the dash, which is in actually pretty good condition. Chrome on the wheel. We got a horn.
We do.
It's the metal
It
ring.
could be going.
Press it. It was working 2 seconds ago.
Oh, of course it was.
Oh my gosh.
Well, I'm going to turn. I'm going to turn into here and see if the
Yes.
blinker works. We really don't know. We think it does. No, it does.
It does. It's making a noise, so I'm assuming the blinker's working. Chris is going to take this turn at speed. At speed. Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's funny.
It brakes just as good
Is it good?
as a car with brakes.
Well, it's mechanical drums, and no, they're not power.
And yes, this thing weighs probably 5,000 pounds at least.
I would say as much as any electric car.
You want to loop it around here? And
You want me to loop it?
yeah, we'll switch places and drive it on back.
Oh, sure.
It actually, the ride is really smooth.
It's a Buick.
It is a Buick from the 40s.
Nothing stopped. You know what? Buicks always drive nice. Even the guys like this, and this is quite a Buick.
Oh yeah,
It's quite
it
a
is
big
quite
Buick.
a Buick. Quite the vehicle.
At speed.
Oh wow, the corner's pretty good.
It does. I mean, it's like a NASCAR.
Like a
Not true.
NASCAR.
It's not true.
It's not like a NASCAR even a little
it's
bit.
not.
Oh, we're not switching spots?
You want to switch spots, or you want me to just go back?
No, I was going to switch spots and put the camera on the outside.
Do it.
Now we're not on flat ground. We don't have
Is
park.
this flat?
No. Oh, we're rolling.
I'm gonna put my foot on the brake. You do what you have to, and we'll switch. Oh, now we're not going nowhere.
Yeah, now we're on flat ground. Very nice. Well, how do you think this went?
It went as well as expected. Actually, a little better than expected. I
Yeah.
thought we'd be towed back. Let's go.
It might look a little crusty, but I'll tell you what. It runs pretty good. It rides pretty good. The gauges work, which is incredible, to be honest. Other than the clock, I don't think the clock's ticking.
No,
we
it's
have
right
a heater.
twice a day.
We have a heater, which we won't need today, like we said, but
No.
you do have that option. We have a radio. We have a vent down here, I guess to let some air in. I did have it open. And we have big back seats for real people.
Real people.
And it sounds cool. The
It does
straight
sound
8 actually sounds pretty cool.
And it's running, and it's idling nice, and it's
I know.
smooth.
It starts right up and just sits there and idles.
I like it.
I do like it too.
All right.
You ready to go back?
Oh, yeah.
Let's do it.
All right.